Welcome to Fixity Fix, what a tool! Today the featured tool is this thread checker.
Fixity Fix!
The thread checker is a long chain of differently threaded male and female threads so that if you have lost or damaged a nut or a bolt, you can quickly find out whether it's SAE or metric and what size and what thread pitch. This is a piece of aerodynamic trim from the 944 we've been working on, and I need to find out the thread pitch of these funny little nuts and these bolts that hold in the trim. The thread checker makes this easy. In this case, this one, I know it's a metric 4 by 0.7 thread pitch, so to test it I just take the nut in question and try to thread it on gently each of these different sizes until it fits. And when I have one that fits, that it threads on without resistance, I know that I've found the right size replacement to order. In this case, the M4.07. It's the same for a bolt. In this case, it's just using the female side to thread right on, and that fits perfectly. So I know the size. Links for tools and parts I use in Fixity Fix videos are generally in the description of the videos. You can follow those links usually to Amazon, and if you do and buy it by following the link, the channel gets a little bit of a commission. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it's a nice way to support Fixity Fix if you find our videos helpful. Thank you for watching, and please consider liking this video and subscribing and hitting the bell button so that you get notified when new Fixity Fix videos drop. See you next time.